If you feel tired all the time, struggle to build muscle, lack motivation, or even feel like your confidence is fading, it might not just be in your head. Your testosterone levels could be tanking. And when your testosterone is low, everything, your energy, strength, focus, and even attractiveness takes a hit. But here's the good news. You can boost it naturally. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to increase your testosterone ASAP without needing any BS supplements or injection, the right way. So let's get into it. Why testosterone is everything for men. Testosterone isn't just about muscle. It controls your energy and motivation, strength and muscle growth, confidence and risk-taking, deep voice and facial hair growth, fat burning and metabolism, even your sex drive. The problem? Testosterone levels have been dropping globally for decades. Lifestyle, diet, and stress are killing our masculinity. But we are flipping that today. The testosterone killers you must eliminate. Before we boost your testosterone, we gotta stop what's destroying it. Processed foods and seed oils. Junk food and industrial seed oils like soybean, canola, sunflower oil spike inflammation, which tanks your testosterone. Low quality seed. If you are not sleeping 7 to 9 hours, your T levels drop by up to 15% per night, which is insanely huge. Zero sunlight. Lack of vitamin D means low testosterone. Sunlight is the most natural testosterone booster. Too much stress and cortisol. The more stressed you are, the lower your testosterone. If your mind is always in fight or flight mode, your body prioritizes survival, not muscle building or dominance. How to increase testosterone ASAP naturally. First, strength training and heavy lifting. If you do one thing from this video, start lifting heavy weights. Compound exercises like squat, deadlifts, and bench press spike your testosterone like crazy. Train 3 to 4 times per week. Focus on big compound movements. Push to progressively overload. Lift heavier over time. Fix your diet. Testosterone thrives on nutrient-dense whole foods. Eggs and healthy fats. Cholesterol is needed to produce testosterone. Stop fearing egg yolks, avocados, and red meat. Zinc and magnesium, found in shellfish, pumpkin seed, spinach, crucial for testosterone. Avoid soy and processed junk. Too much soy can increase estrogen, which lowers testosterone. Get sunlight and vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it's a hormone regulator. If you are not getting 30 to 60 minutes of direct sunlight daily, your testosterone will be low. Well, if there's no sun, then take 5000 IU of vitamin D daily. Sleep like a king. Your testosterone recharges while you sleep. If you are up all night scrolling, your body can't produce the hormone it needs. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep. No screens 1 hour before bed because blue light destroys melatonin. Sleep in a cold, dark room. Testosterone production happens best when your body drops in temperature, but not too cold. Have to be comfortable. Cold showers and ice baths. Cold exposure increases testosterone and reduces stress hormones. Try 30 to 60 seconds cold shower finishers. Ice baths 1 to 2 times per week for deep recovery. Bonus hacks for maximum testosterone. Once you've got the fundamentals locked in, these extra hacks will take you even further. Deep breathing and meditation. Lowers stress, which equals to higher testosterone. Stop watching adult content. Kills dopamine, ruins motivation. Fix your posture and speak slower. Your body reacts to how you carry yourself. Stand tall, lower your voice, and move deliberately. Low testosterone is ruining men today, but now you know how to fight back. Start with just one thing from this video, whether it's lifting weight, fixing your sleep, or cutting out junk food, and watch how your energy transforms. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.